What's the call? I'm your host, Justin. Welcome to Justin. Today we're interviewing going behind the scenes of Automotive Tech, so stay tuned for today's show of Justin. Welcome back, everyone. Today we'll be kicking off Justin. Today, the interview portion of our show. First, I'll think I'll get some Automotive Tech for coming. What's your name?
My name is Gio. I'm a senior, and I've been 3 years in Automotive Tech.
I'm Chance. I've been 3 years as well. I'm a senior.
I'm Andrew, senior, 3 years too.
Okay, thank you guys for joining for today's show, Justin. So, may I ask you guys some questions?
That's fine.
Okay. So, first question is, what kind of position you guys do? And I guess, what do you guys position in this class? Or is there any position?
There's no
Not really.
position.
It's just do this, do that.
Yeah.
It's like an everyday mixer?
Yeah, it's everyday mixture.
That's cool. And other question, what's like the most expensive car you guys ever worked on?
Probably that
Mercedes, three Mercedes that we had in the shop.
No, it was 4.
It was 4.
Because we had
was
all
yours?
spaces filled up.
Hey, hold on, he got a Mercedes?
Yeah, he got a Mercedes.
Flags, bro.
It's like it's some white privilege, you know?
Wait, but like, where do you guys get the Mercedes from? Like, it's like
It's
cars?
just teachers' cars and everything, or like students'
Teachers,
cars.
students, and whatnot.
And what do you guys have to do on it? Just like, what's like?
It's
One
like
of them we were changing the water.
the water pump.
Yeah.
Another one was alignment, and then the other one was oil, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah.
Okay. And what's the best thing in this class?
Mostly his stories.
Yeah,
his
His
stories.
Yeah.
Wow. What made you guys want to join Automotive Tech?
Honestly, I think since I
just
was
life
little,
skill.
yeah, what was it called? Just cars.
I just want to be able to work on my own cars.
Mega cars? Okay.
Just had hands-on stuff.
Yeah, it's hands-on, so
Yeah.
like you don't have to sit in a class.
Same class as you.
Yeah, I mean, of course, like you have like
Like
your
tests.
tests,
Yeah.
but like that's about it. And
Most
everything
everything's
else,
like physical.
yeah, everything's
AC.
physical. Yeah, or
Yeah.
AAC test. Like,
That's
that's
cool.
about it.
That's cool. And what is your favorite memory in Automotive Tech?
I really don't know. Like, there's a lot. There's a lot going on in that class that it's like you can't choose one specific thing to like about that class because you like everything about that class because it's like it's so hands-on. Like, either somebody messes up something and it's funny, or somebody messes up something which is not funny. But it's like
Yeah.
there's so much stuff that goes on in that class that you don't even know.
What
Like-
about, what about you?
I mean, that time me and Grant fixed that tire on the golf cart. And we were driving it, you know, making sure the tire was okay.
What about you? What's your favorite memory?
My favorite memory is like, it's like hanging out with the people. It's like, just like,
That's not a memory.
I guess. Nah, I'm messing with you. And if I want to join a class, how would they do it?
Just put on the sheet. Like,
would
you
have
want to
to.
put auto tech or like talk to one of the teachers.
If
Or
they
your
want to be in like
counselors.
auto 2, they'd have to do it like
Before?
sophomore.
Yeah, like basic early head in
Yeah.
high school.
early on.
Okay. Well, I think that's all the questions. We're not sure behind the scenes of Automotive Tech and what's going on right here in Conner High. Alright, so we're in the auto mechanic room. We're gonna see what they're gonna do today. Alright.
I don't know what broke on this truck. We're gonna see what.
Like just crank up how to fix the car. Yeah.
You do the lock release.
Ooh, yeah.
They got me doing this so it look like I'm not doing it.
Alright, so what you doing today?
We're gonna fix. I think it was. I don't know what broke on this truck. We're gonna see what broke. We have to check everything though, like all the valves and everything, like all the. Hey, it's just for the camera. So we're just trying to fix it, and we're gonna have these 2 cars today. So
Okay.
that's pretty much what we're doing.
Pretty
It's just cleaning and trying to fix whatever we have left of us in here.
Alright. Just pretend like you put it some.
We took off this right here
Mhm.
because we had to take out all this. This is the air filter right here. That's supposed to go back in here, but this was dirty. You could tell how dirty. So, you know,
We tried to like have it run, but like it just wouldn't like just crank up. So we used that. This help charges the battery as well. It starts as like a jumper. So you got like your watts and stuff, and you got like the timer. And then obviously these These is for the battery, negative, positive. Don't want to touch these. You don't ever want to touch these because if you do,
Nick.
Nah, bro, chill now.
You applying to a project work?
Nah, man.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
Let's show you how to use this.
hey, use Andy as a representation.
Can you lay on the ground? On the yeah, please. So actually don't know how to use it.
What's it called? It has all your things right here. It says raise, lower, and this is the lock release. The lock release, what's it called? When you raise it up, it's gonna lock for like nothing could fall. The lock release is gonna release the lock for you to lower it, and it makes it smoother. So technically, you just want to go, look. And you're gonna hear like a big bump right here.
Like right around here, right?
Oh well, this one doesn't have it. I don't know why. Or you just take it. Right, there you go. You see, and then you lower it, and then that locks in place, and you press the lock release, and then it should lower.
Hey, you should interview him.
Yeah.
Whoa.
So now we have a test for Justin, see if he can raise up the lift, how we showed him. Yeah, what's it called? Yeah, you do the raise. You just gotta wait for the little lock. The little lock, yep. They're gonna be the cars, the tires of the car. There you go. And then, what's it called? Lower?
Yeah. You broke off like pieces of the car on the carriage. Yeah, you had a carriage.
Yeah, that's it. And then you just do that.
Wow, guys.
You know how to do it.
Yeah.
Now you can.
You're going to college for this?
Nah,
Why?
I'm going straight to work.
What's that work field?
And this?
You going to college for this?
To be honest, I just got placed in this class in 10th grade, so I didn't really choose it, but
Alright guys, that's it for today's walkthrough for auto mechanics. Back to the studio.
Oh my god, yo, bro, I just remembered we have that one math assignment due today.
Oh, I already finished it. It was pretty easy.
Picture, if you will, you're trapped in a dark and mysterious room with seemingly no visible escape. Surrounding you is a vast variety of oddities, serving as hints and clues to help you find a way out. Your mind begins searching for answers as it also comes up with creative ways for you to make your escape. The question is, does your mind have what it takes? Well, it's only a matter of time before we find out. Introducing Mindscapers, a new escape room reality competition show coming this March to KTIG, where 4 teams will have to compete against each other and the clock as they try and escape out of 3 increasingly difficult escape rooms. Sign-ups open soon, so if you're ready to test your mind, then your time has come.
That sounds like a plan.
Now let's take a look what's happening at Connor High.
Need some help?
Yeah, I don't understand this.
Good job. Keep up the good work.
Wow, thank you. I couldn't do it without you. Hey, thanks for helping me pass.
Yeah, congrats on graduating.
I couldn't have done it without you.
Welcome back to Justin. Now is our challenge portion where guests have to face a random game or challenge. Today's challenge is explain it dumber. I'll give you each a topic to explain to me, but instead of explaining normally, we're going to spin a wheel and and have to explain the topic like what you got off the wheel. So, all right, who wants to go first?
You
okay.
All right, your topic's gonna be how to eat a banana. All right, all right. Let's see what you get. Like that for last week.
Okay.
All right.
So you take your banana, you put it down, you pick it back up, you peel it, you put it back down, you pick it up, peel it from the bottom, and then you eat it.
How do you eat it? Like, how do you put it in your mouth?
You chop it up, you put it in the blender, and you drink it.
Is there like different ways to eat it?
Yeah, there's a lot of different ways to eat it. You can put it just simple like that. Put it like in your face, like a smiley face, a mustache.
Is there just when you just put it just straight in your mouth? Just like that?
Yeah, there is, but
Can you show me how you?
how to carve a pumpkin?
All right, let's spin the wheel. Like a cowboy.
Like a cowboy.
So what you gonna do? You gonna get that pumpkin. You won't put it down. You won't put it like really down. You won't make sure that that thing's tight, right? Right. You won't get that down. You wanna get a knife, get it down. Make sure you get the perfect pole. You just wanna. Okay.
To like southern.
Okay, it's your turn. How to listen to music.
Bro.
Yeah. Explain how to listen to music. All right, explain it.
Like a British?
Like a British.
Like a British?
Oh no, I think caveman. Nah, I think
British.
British.
Like, bruv, so you gotta. Yeah. Like, bruv, get your headphones and put your iPod on and you turn your music on and you gotta get to listening, man.
That was actually a good British accent.
Wow.
No,
I
we're
guess
gonna do how ice cream is made.
How ice cream.
Okay, how ice cream.
Like old school?
Nah, we're gonna do what is photosynthesis.
Ooh. All right, spin the wheel.
Because
I don't know what's photosynthesis.
That's what I said.
Like a child.
Like a child.
Like a child. Just dumb it down.
So when a flower and the sun.
I can't tell if you're acting. This is real. Nah.
When a flower and the sun get some sunlight, and I think the nutrients give it to the flower. You know what I mean?
That's all it for Justin. I would like to thank our guests for Automotive Tech for coming for today's show. Make sure to stay tuned for other episode of Justin next week. I remember serious. There's no price to be nice, so express the kindness once or twice.